help on the ground. In the jungle far away go, baby animals lost their way. Little bunny cries, oh no, I don't know where to go. The trees are dark, the path is gone, no one here to help me on. Suddenly, boom, the earth goes shake. Big Dino wakes with every break. He stomps so strong but gentle too. Don't be scared, I'll help you. Boom, boom, stomp, I am here. Dino, help is very near. Dino looks left, Dino looks right. Through the jungle, dark and bright, he finds the bunny behind a tree. Don't worry now, come with me. Bunny smiles, feels so glad. No more fear, I was so sad. Then Dino hears another cry. Baby monkey stuck up high. Dino stomps, tree goes shake. Carefully saves him for his sake. Stomp, stomp, help, strong and kind. Dino rescue every time. All animals gather around. Happy jungle, joyful sound. Dino smiles, proud and true. I will always help you too. Bum, 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 I will always help you too. Boom, boom, stomp, Dino stomp, helping friends all day long. Happy jungle, clap with me. Dino hero 1, 2, 3. 5 baby sharks were swimming around, eating everything they found. Burger here and apple here. Yummy food is everywhere. Crunch, 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 what a bite. They eat all day and night. 4 baby sharks were swimming fast. One ate too much, tummy got blast. He couldn't swim, he felt so slow. Too much food made my belly grow. So the ocean doctor came and said, stop eating like this instead. No more snacks, no more play. Eat carefully every day. Wow! 3 baby sharks were having fun. One bit candy and started to run. But crack! His teeth got a break. Oh no, no, big mistake. So the crab doctor came and said, hey, too many sweets, go eat bread. No more candy, stop the bite. Brush your teeth both day and night. 2 baby sharks were eating chips. One slipped and hurt his lips. Crunchy snacks made him fall. Oh no, no, this is not all. So the jellyfish said in glow, eat healthy food, don't eat slow junk show. No more chips, no more fries. Eat fruits that are fresh and nice. Whoa! 1 baby shark was left alone, still eating snacks on his own bone. He tried one bite, then crash. Oh no, huss, he couldn't even swim below. So the wise old whale came near. Listen, baby shark, come here. Stop eating everything you see. Healthy food is the key. All baby sharks then learned the way. Healthy food every day. No more junk, no more fight. They swim happy day and night. Crunch, crunch, gone, lesson done. Healthy eating is so much fun. Ava! Hiding was fun, ha 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 ha. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do do do, do do do. Where are you? Come out and see. Come out, do 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 do. 5 baby sharks hiding one day. Do 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 do. One hid behind the big red coral. Mommy shark looked. Oh, where are you, my little coral? Out came the first baby shark with a cheeky smile. Oh no! 4 baby sharks hiding one day. 4 baby sharks hiding surprise attack. Two baby sharks hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. One hid under a big shiny rock. Mommy found him. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Out came the fourth baby shark, laughing non-stop. One baby shark hiding one day. Do-do-do-do-do-do. He hid so well, Mommy couldn't see. She got worried, where could my baby be? Then suddenly, out came the last baby shark with a big grin. Big happy end, all five baby sharks together at last. Hugging Mommy super fast, they swam and played the whole day through. Best hiding game, thanks to you. Wow! Five baby sharks. Hiding was fun. Swim, swim, swim. We love playing. How about you? Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Oh no! Ha ha ha. Found my hiding place. Hey, ABC, come and see. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Baby sea, shout it loud. Learning time, we're so proud. A is for apple, floating high in a bubble up in the sky. Baby shark says I can reach. Pop, he grabs it with a leap. Wow, wow. Then I want to start learning letters with a heart. Bubble pop and ABC, join the fun in ocean sea. B is for ball, bouncing round. Bubbles lifted off the ground. Baby shark jumps, got it now. Doing it bounces on his brow. Baby bee, bounce so high. In the bubbles up we fly. ABC is fun, you see. Baby shark is learning free. C is for cake, oh so sweet. Floating slowly near his feet. Baby shark says yummy treat, but it spins, oh what a beat. See, cake in air, bubble magic everywhere. Learning letters, what a thrill. ABC fun gives us skill. All the letters start to fly. D to Z in bubbly sky. A is dolphin, E is egg. F is fish doing funny leg. Baby shark is dancing fast. ABC fun is here at last. V to Z, come with me. Bubbly letters in the sea. Jump and learn and sing along. ABC is our happy song. Suddenly, bubbles go boom pop, letters spin and never stop. Baby shark says, wait for me. I can't catch whole ABC. Mommy laughs, just try again. Learning letters is so fun. ABC, don't be late. Bubble world is really great. Learn and laugh and play all day. Baby shark will show the way. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC adventure leap. lights shining